Welcome to Painting Made Easy with April May. I'm April May, and today we're going to be finishing up the ballet shoes that I started about a week ago. We're going to be doing the final details, highlights, and shadows. So let's get started. I do have a slowed down voiced over version of this video over on my Patreon page. The link to that will be in the description below. I hope you enjoy watching. Please remember to hit like and subscribe. It's like giving me a tip but doesn't cost you anything. You can also follow me over on Facebook, Instagram, and my Patreon page. All of the links are listed below. I hope you enjoyed watching, and I hope this video has inspired you. Now it's your turn to go out and inspire somebody else.